We got the BarkBox in. So, hey guys. Have you noticed you got some new toys? I decided to go ahead and open this up and see what we got this month. So this is apparently the November box, which is funny because I ordered them at the end of the month, so we always get like the box with a week left of the month. Oh, it's adorable. Let's see, what do we have in here? So it is Home for Thanksgiving. Oh, this is adorable. They're gonna love these. Ooh, okay, so this is a puzzle toy. They love those. They just destroyed the narwhal that had a tugboat in it, so I know this one will go over well. Oh, it's a little TV! Oh, that's adorable. So they pull it out. Make sure I get all the plastic bits off of everything. You pull it out, and it's like a die. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so you've got the annual dog show, and then football, dog TV, the birthday party, then that screen, and then a BarkBox screen. So we'll be nice and we'll go ahead and put it to the football channel because I know that'll make Terrence giggle. Like, it's a crinkly turkey. Not sure if you can hear that, but like, that's some good crinklage. These are so cute, and they're not gonna stay cute for very long. So we do get the double box because obviously we have the two puppies. And you can see while they do have a lot of toys, they do also destroy them, and they destroy them pretty quickly. Oh, it's a cornucopia. Oh my god, this is so cute. Nice. Okay, next there's something else inside of this. So we can put the I'm loving how crinkly all of this is. I want to say this is a squash, but I'm not 100% sure, to be honest. So there's a squash and a melon of some kind, and we can stick those into the cornucopia, and then they have to pull them out. So I like that. We'll see how long this takes them to figure out. Cooking with the joy. Oh god, that was so much harder to get off than it needed to be. Oh, another interactable toy so they can open the box and get Joy out of it. Why does Joy look like an alcohol flask? I mean, if you gotta be around family for holidays, okay, I can see. Never mind, I can see the joke. Whether that's the intended joke or not, that's how I interpret it. I got some more Jerky Sticks. These are amazing because I like cut them into tiny bits and then mix them in with their kibble for treats while we're working, especially more difficult training sessions where I really need their attention, and they absolutely love these. So it looks like we got one bag of Jerky Sticks, one bag of moo pies, which are beef, oatmeal, and molasses. Oh, they're tiny treats. Oh, no, they're pretty big. So these will definitely be when they get to go in their crates. I usually take them and like break them in half. I know they like these. I'm pretty sure we've had those before. They've got a couple chews. Got a pumpkin and honey and a beef. 2 of each. That'll be nice. The Baba jerky bars. They absolutely love these. Another great one that's really soft and easy to tear up and put in with their treats and their kibble. Wakey soft bakes. Anything soft baked goes to helping them get into their crate more often. So yeah, I love this. This was awesome. We didn't get any repeat toys this time, so that was nice. Do you wanna play with the turkey? As I said during the pup box reviews, like, yes, they're both dog subscription boxes. They serve two very different points. These are toys to keep them occupied, to keep their brains going. Pup box is training and introducing your puppy to the world. So I do enjoy both of them, and we will have some B-roll of them playing with these at some point. Hope you guys liked that video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Do weekly content based around neurodivergencies and dog training, mostly emphasis on dog training. We will see you guys next week. Bye.